Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've got a Kwikset Powerbolt 2 lock on your door, you know how convenient keyless entry can be. But let's be honest, using the default master code, or just never updating it, isn't the most secure thing to do, right? You want that peace of mind knowing your home is safe and sound. That's exactly what we're tackling today. We're going to walk through, step by step, how to change the master code on your Kwikset Powerbolt 2. It's super easy once you know the process, and trust me, you'll be glad you did it. No more relying on that factory default 0,000 code that everyone and their grandma probably knows. So whether you're a new homeowner, you've just installed your Kwikset Powerbolt 2, or you just realized it's been a while since you updated your code, you're in the right place. Let's get that security dialed in. Alright, let's get right into it. Before we dive into the button presses, there are a couple of crucial things you'll want to make sure of. First off, and this might seem obvious, but make sure your door is unlocked and open. This is important for a couple of reasons. You don't want to accidentally lock yourself out while you were in the middle of changing the code, and it also helps you confirm the code change is successful visually and audibly. So, go ahead and open that door. Second, you're going to need your current master code. If you've never changed it before, the default master code for a Kwikset Powerbolt 2 is usually DO-BO-VUO. That's 4 zeros. If you've changed it previously and forgotten it, well, that's a different video, and you might need to factory reset your lock. But for today, we're assuming you know your current master code, whether it's the default or one you set earlier. Got your door open? Got your current master code handy? Perfect. Let's do this. Okay, let's break down the sequence. It's really straightforward. Step 1. Enter your current master code. Go ahead and type in that master code. Remember, if you haven't changed it, it's 0000. So, type in your code now. Step 2. Press the lock button. After entering your current master code, hit that lock button. It's the large button at the top of the keypad. Step 3. Press the number 7. This is a key part of the programming sequence. Immediately after pressing the lock button, hit the number 7 on the keypad. Step 4. Press the lock button again. You're almost there. Press the lock button one more time right after pressing 7. At this point, your lock is now in programming mode, waiting for your new master code. You might see some lights flashing or hear a slight beep, indicating it's ready. Now for the exciting part, setting your new master code. Step 5. Enter your new master code. This is where you get to pick something secure and memorable for you. Your new master code can be anywhere from 4 to 10 digits long. Think about it for a second. Maybe a birthday, an anniversary, or just a random sequence that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Avoid super obvious sequences like 1234 or 9999. Security is the name of the game here. Type in your chosen 4 to 10 digit new master code. Step 6. Press the lock button to confirm. Once you've typed in your new code, press the large lock button one last time to save it. This tells the Kwikset Powerbolt 2, yep, this is the one. So, how do you know if it worked? Confirmation. If everything went smoothly, you should hear 2 quick beeps and see the lock button flash green. That's your Kwikset Powerbolt 2 telling you, success. Your new master code is active. Give yourself a pat on the back. What if it didn't work? Now, if you hear 3 beeps instead, that means the code was not saved successfully. Don't panic. It just means something went wrong in the sequence. Maybe you took too long between presses or mistyped a digit. The best thing to do is simply try the entire process again from the beginning, making sure your door is open and you're entering the correct current master code first. And just like that, you've updated your Kwikset Powerbolt 2 master code. That was pretty simple, right? Just a few important notes to recap. Default master code. Again, it's 0 lower row if you've never changed it. Code length. Your new code needs to be between 4 and 10 digits. Security. Seriously, change that default code. It's one of the easiest ways to boost your home security. Error indicator. 3 beeps? Try again. 2 beeps and a green flash? You're golden. Alright, so which one of these caught your eye? Let me know down in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you out and gave you that extra peace of mind, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content and helpful DIY guides just like this. We're always trying to make your smart home even smarter and more secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.